Welcome back to the channel, folks. Appreciate you stopping by. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a 1962 Electra 225, the old deuce and a quarter, AMT Ertl Pro Shop kit, 125 scale. Let's see here. I'm looking for the date on this one, 1998. Right there in fine print. Hope everyone's having a great day. Let's go ahead and get right into this one. Alright, first off we have a bag full of parts. Go ahead and cut into that. First time this kit's been open since 1998. That just blows my mind. Alrighty. Yep. Right off the bat we have the body. Beautiful body here, guys. Wow. This is nice. Got the little ports on the side here. Very nice. Very distinctive to Buick for the most part. Very nice. Here's your rear end view. Driver's side. Nice hood. A little bit of flash right there, no big deal. Both sides, interesting. Alright. Next up we have the chassis, which is very heavy duty, very solid. Big old piece of tree stuck to it there. Wow, a lot of flashing on that one. Got the axle molded right in. Two different options for your location of your axle. Fuel tank is molded in, muffler. Full exhaust is molded in, that's interesting. Alrighty. Here we have the interior tub with the seats already in it. Okay. Not much detail here, very minimal. Got the piece back here, very similar to the Impala. One of my favorite details of the Impalas. Here's the dashboard. Kind of basic looking. Steering wheel needing a little bit of cleanup. Couple little pieces here. Well, that's obviously seat belt. I'm not really sure what this is, unless it's part of the trim along the side or something. Put that up there. We'll see what it is when we get into the. Well, here's a couple more. We'll see what they are when we get into the instructions. Here we have a little plastic elephant. Alright, so that's so far we've had a rabbit, a bloodhound. I don't think I've had a cat. I've seen the cat on a couple of models. I don't know that I have the cat. And here we have a little plastic elephant. Nice. Okay, we'll start a little AMT zoo. Here we have console, the hood, and the other seat belt. Decent looking details on the bottom of the hood here. Firewall, radiator, big old battery. Almost looks like a 24-volt truck battery, but it's 6 volt. I mean, right. Okay, it's 12 volt. Here we have a phone that looks like, not a mobile phone, but it looks like a phone out of a phone booth. Or a wall phone, if you're old enough to remember what that is. Here's a column with shifter and the signal indicator. Nice. Intake manifold with the heads attached and the distributor cap. Two sides of the engine block. Buick, I'm sure, right? Fan. Not sure what size motor it is. We'll see what that is when we get on the inside. Here's, I think, a fender skirts. Nice hood scoop. I didn't see any cutouts in the hood for that, but that's pretty cool looking. This appears to be like a custom front and rear bumper. Interesting. Here's some wheels, steel wheels, fronts and backs. And I'm going to assume a spare tire or your travel AMT toilet seat. I'm not sure what that is. There's a lid in the seat, right? And it says Buick on it, so I guess that goes in there. That's pretty cool. All right, and we have out of a bag we have windshield with a funny little indentation there. I'm not sure that's on the body or not. Here's some lights, headlights, and smaller lights. Alright, we'll set that over here, keep it safe. And loose, we also have some red parts, which are here. I'm assuming these little ones are the tail lights. I'm not sure what the bigger ones are. Okay. Yeah, chrome. Nice packaging on the chrome parts here. Alright, for chrome we have a big, beautiful grille. Wow, that's really sharp looking. Nice grille, nice rear bumper. Two options for hubcaps. Very nice. Nice chrome piece that goes around the toilet seat. I mean the spare tire. Just kidding, guys. Custom grille, I believe, for that other molded piece. This here, I think, is part of the trophy. It's a little car. I haven't seen the rest of the trophy, though. It's interesting, unless that's just something that you'd sit on the package tray in the back of the vehicle, in the model. Tail light pieces, some miscellaneous mirrors, and little button lights, valve cover, tiny little valve covers. Wow. Here's a jack. Look at that. Little scissors jack. I don't know if they had those in '62, did they? I'm not sure. Some other lights. A couple other little pieces that I don't know what they are. This here is kind of neat looking. I don't know. Well, look and see in the instructions what that is. Alrighty. For tires, we have 3 tires? Nope, there's 4. The other one was hiding. We have, wow, those are definitely suicide tread on that one. These are Firestone. Yeah, God, I'm sorry guys, I can't get that to focus for you. But they are Firestone tires. They're a little on the stiffer side. Okay. And in the bottom of the box, we have 2 axles and 4 screws. I'm just going to leave them in there, keep them safe. And then in the instructions, what's that? That's the old Ertl blue printer again. Different version of. Oh no, same one. Is it the fold out? Yep, same as the last couple of kits. The old style blue printer there. And here we have decals that are stuck to the instructions, so they've been in there a little bit. I'll try and peel it off real gentle. There we go. Since it's in my hand, I'll go ahead and look at it. It says California, and I'll take it away from the camera here real quick, guys. Arizona. California and Arizona for the plate. We got the old black plate for California, white one for Arizona. And just a few little miscellaneous stripes. And I think that's a little gauge for the speedometer. For the dashboard. Probably a speedometer. Okay. Let's stick this way. Okay. And we have the instructions. Basic stuff. Assembly. A couple different languages. Your paint chart. Contact number for Ertl Toys, guys. And girls, check that out. Call them and see if they're still doing the Ertl blue printer. See what kind of response you get. Oh, this says 97 on the instructions. That's interesting. Box said 98. I thought. I mean, look again. Yeah, the box says 98. So I don't know. Maybe the kit came out in 97 and they reissued it in the Pro Series in 98. I'm not sure. All Alright, we have the assembly, engine, and the body, or this part, yeah, interior. Let me put it to the body, put it all together. Here's the little portals. Were those in the chrome parts? Yes, they were. Here they are. I missed that. I'm sorry. They're right here. They're chrome. So that's really nice. That'll go there. Put your wheels together. Actually 3 different wheel options. You could leave the steely look. Oh, let's see. Put the engine in with your metal axles. Put the top down. Put that gigantic marine-sized battery in there. Put the headlights in. You got 6 headlights? For the custom version. That's why there were so many of them clear lenses. Okay. Custom version gives you 6 lenses and a fancy little grille. Taillights, rear bumper. Ah, that's what those were. Just little extra like bumper handles, I guess. Look at this. You put the oh, what was the name of that? The Continental kit on the back there with your toilet seat slash spare tire thing. 4-parter. Wow. And that piece, I didn't see that. Let me look for that one. That ain't it. Is it chrome? I don't think it would be chrome. Oh, yes, it is chrome. I'll be darned. This piece right here is right there. I didn't catch that. Yep. Alrighty. That does your Continental kit, and then some decal placement, and that's all she wrote on that one, guys. I appreciate your time. Have yourselves a great day. Stay out of trouble, and keep on modeling. We'll see you on the next one.